Everyone tells you to invest with a TFSA in Canada so you can retire wealthy. But no one explains how it works or tells you what you need to know. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down everything. What a TFSA is, the contribution rules you need to know, the tax rules to be aware of, and how to get started with investing in a TFSA. Let's break it down. My name is Finance Femster, and I used to be a wealth manager for a $1 billion investment portfolio at one of Canada's biggest banks until I got let go. But now I chase my passion, spreading financial literacy and making it accessible to every Canadian. All right, so a TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. But it's not just a savings account. It's an investment powerhouse. The money that you put in grows tax-free without the CRA taking a cut. And that's interest, dividends, gains, all yours to withdraw whenever you want, completely tax-free. The TFSA is a very flexible investment account. Within it, you can hold stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, GICs, or high-interest savings as cash, as you choose. Keep in mind, there are some limitations to what you cannot hold within the TFSA, so some penny stocks are not allowed. So the TFSA does have a contribution rule, which is a limit to how much you're allowed to put into the account yourself. To find this contribution rule, you can sign into your MyCRA account, and within there, you'll see your TFSA contribution limit, and that basically is how much you can put into the account. If you've been eligible from the very start, you might be able to put over $100,000 as a contribution into your account if you've never contributed before. I cannot stress enough how important it is to be aware of your TFSA contribution rule, because if you go above this limit, the CRA is going to tax you a 1% penalty per month on the amounts above the limit. On top of the contribution rules I just mentioned, there are more things to be aware of when it comes to withdrawing from your TFSA and how that affects your future contribution rate. So let's say you have a maximum contribution room of $50,000 in 2025. Okay, you max that out in January, you put all the money in, and by December, you end up growing it to $200,000 and you withdraw all of it out. The beauty of this is next year, your contribution room is going to be whatever amount you withdrew plus whatever new room the CRA gives us. So in this scenario, say 2026, the new contribution room is $7,000. Because you took out $200,000 the year before, you now have $200,000 plus $7,000, so $207,000 to start contributing into your TFSA from the following year. So in simple terms, your future contribution room grows with your investments, not just what you put in. However, on the downside is if you lose all that money and you lose that contribution room too, because you use it and you're not getting it back unless it grows. As mentioned, the TFSA is an investment powerhouse. So you can use it for your long-term goals. It could be buying a house. It could be retirement. It could be saving for a vacation. As you choose, just remember, outside of just the high-interest savings, you also do have the option to select ETFs, stocks, GICs, bonds, as you choose within the TFSA. This allows you to build true long-term wealth tax-free. To be eligible to open up a TFSA, you must be at least 18 years of age or the age of majority in your province or territory, be a Canadian resident for tax purposes, and have a valid social insurance number. You can open up a TFSA through Wealthsimple or Questrade. These are low-cost options. Or you can do this through your bank, either online or through a bank branch. So let's wrap it up. A TFSA is a tax-free vessel for your money. You can invest in it using ETFs, stocks, GICs as you choose. You have a limit to how much you can contribute into the account. You can withdraw your money whenever you want. It allows your money to grow completely tax-free, including interest, dividends, and capital gains. And it is the best way to grow long-term wealth tax-free in Canada. If you would like a detailed guide breaking down the rules and true value of the tax-free savings account in Canada, I have one, and you can purchase this in the link in the description below. And here is a discount code to make things more valuable for you. I hope this video has added some value into your investing journey. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button for more Canadian finance tips.